friends, today I have a fun mashup using the February Club Couture transfer along with the surface and flowers that come in the new Bloom Chalk Made kit. I love this new surface, I love the flowers, so I wanted to create something a little different from the transfer that came in the kit. So I'm going to use some new shimmer pastes. The shimmer rose gold, eucalyptus, and orchid. These are such pretty colors, and they're so sparkly. It's so hard to capture on video, but they're just so pretty. So I'm just going to do the whole outline of the transfer in the rose gold, and then I'm going to come back in there. You see I did the little bicycle in the shimmer eucalyptus. And then originally I was going to do all of the words in orchid, but you'll see I changed my mind a little bit, and I decided to bring that eucalyptus down at the bottom of the transfer as well. So I'm just going to spread my paste along the transfer, and then you'll see when I go to pull up this transfer, I'm going to pull it up kind of slow just to make sure that I got all of the silk screen covered in the chalk paste. And sometimes when you're switching between colors and you're doing very thin lines like this transfer has, you just got to kind of make sure that you got everything, make sure you didn't miss a spot. And you'll see I missed a couple spots, which is no big deal. I'm just going to gently lay that back down while I spread the paste on just a little bit more. And then I'm going to slowly pull it up. I kind of weave it back and forth just so that I'm not stretching my transfer, but there I'm going to pull it up. And like I said, this paste is just so pretty. I just love these shimmer pastes. They're so much fun. So then now I'm going to make sure that my entire surface is dry before I start adding ribbon and the felt flowers. Like I said, those flowers come in the Bloom Chalk Made kit. The kit comes with the surface, the flowers, the bloom transfer, everything you need to create that project. So you'll see I kind of move things around, and I'm trying to decide where I want to put the flowers. In the Bloom kit, they have them along the bottom on the right side, and you can see it right there. But I'm kind of moving them around. Maybe I want it on the top, maybe I want it on the bottom. I try, putting a little bit on the top and the bottom, and in the end, I ended up just putting them right in the bottom left. I just thought that would look the best. So I'm just kind of moving these flowers around, and these flowers are so much fun. If you've ever made felt flowers, they're a little tedious to make. So I love that this kit comes with all of these flowers already made. You just gotta, you just need to put them down. And the kit also comes with adhesive squares, but in just a second I'm going to actually just use my glue gun. It's just personal preference. The adhesive squares work just fine, but whatever you want to do works with that. So after I kind of move things around a little bit and figure out where I want everything, I'm going to let my glue gun heat up while I figure out what ribbon I want to put on the top. And I pulled out a few different ribbons. I have this burlap ribbon, and then I have a gray ribbon and a peach ribbon. So I cut those pieces and then went back and started gluing all of my felt flowers on here. And this has been such a fun project to work on. I can't wait to do the Bloom transfer with this project. And this surface is actually double-sided, so you can design on the other side if you chose maybe not to use the flowers or did flowers on both sides. You got some more flowers, you could do that. You can do whatever you want with these projects, but the surface is double-sided, so it gives you double the options on what you can create with these products. So I'm just gonna glue down the rest of those pieces with the greenery and the flowers, and it's coming along so cute. I just love this project. So once I do that, I'm gonna end up grabbing my ribbon and tying that at the top. You'll see here in just a minute. So I'm going to tie that on the top. And funny story, once I spent all that time cutting that ribbon and I attached it, you'll see in just a minute, I decided that it was a little too busy. I didn't like all 3 ribbons, so I ended up just redoing it and using just the burlap ribbon, and it ended up turning out super cute. So you'll see that in just a second. So there we go. I took off the other ribbon and I ended up just using the burlap ribbon. And I just love how this turned out. So much fun. I love these shimmer pastes. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you think.